हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नमस्कार, राम राम, सत श्री अकाल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, व्हाट एवर यू कनेक्टेड विथ। तो आप लोग कैसे हो? पढ़ाई कर रहे हो कि नहीं? लॉकडाउन और 2 हफ्ते बढ़ गए। घर में रहो और पढ़ाई करते रहो। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो फिजिक्स का तो मुझे कमेंट करो। आज हम लोग प्रिज्म का एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स पढ़ेंगे, रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू ए प्रिज्म। उसके बाद उससे रिलेटेड नीट और एम्स का क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए देखते हैं आज का टॉपिक से, रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू ए प्रिज्म। चलिए, व्हाट इज प्रिज्म? प्रिज्म इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल। ट्रांसपेरेंट मीन्स लाइट अगर ट्रांसफर हो जाता है उसको कहते हैं ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल। And refracting surfaces are inclined to each other. This is the prism A, B, C, inclined to each other, inclined. And prism, how many, do you know how many faces are there in the prism? Actually, say this is like a prism, okay? This is like a prism. Now how many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 faces. 5 faces in the prism. आज हम लोग देखेंगे, अगर प्रिज्म का कोई एक सरफेस पर एक लाइट इंसिडेंट करते हैं तो लाइट का बिहेवियर कैसा होता है, लाइट किस तरीके से बिहेव करते हैं, वही हम पढ़ेंगे आज। तो चलिए देखते हैं। दिस इज द प्रिज्म ए, बी एंड सी। दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे पी क्यू। ये इंसिडेंट रे इधर इंसिडेंट किया ये सरफेस पे, ए बी सरफेस पर। ये एक्चुअली रेयरर मीडियम है एयर, और प्रिज्म है डेंसर मीडियम। एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, रेयरर मीडियम मीन्स लो डेंसिटी and denser medium means high density. And there is a rule of refraction. Remember, when light goes from rarer medium to denser medium, ray bends towards the normal, and when ray goes from denser medium to rarer medium, the ray bends away from the normal. So this is the PQ ray, incident ray, incident on the surface AB. उसके बाद क्या होगा, ये नॉर्मल है और ये रिफ्रैक्शन हुआ टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल होगा, बिकॉज ये रेयरर है और ये डेंसर मीडियम है। अगेन दिस इज द सरफेस AC. So for this surface QR is a incident ray. Again there will be refraction. This is the normal, this is denser and this is rarer. This is rarer, denser, rarer. So denser to rarer, so ray bends away from the normal. Away from the normal. This angle is I, incident angle. This angle is E, emergent angle. This is emergent ray because emerges out of the prism. This ray emerges out of the prism, or we can say outgoing ray, emergent ray. So this angle is emergent angle. now ये क्या था, ये था इंसिडेंट रे। इस रे को अगर हम इंक्रीज करते हैं, दिस इज द ओरिजिनल डायरेक्शन ऑफ द इंसिडेंट रे and this is emergent ray. Now here one angle is formed. between incident and emergent ray. This angle is delta, and delta is angle of deviation delta. So what is angle of deviation? The angle between the direction of the incident ray and the emergent ray is the angle of deviation. This is the definition of angle of deviation. Now we will discuss some formula about prism. The angle of deviation is given by delta, that is I plus E minus A. I is incident angle, E is emergent angle. This is the formula for angle of deviation. Now refractive index of prism, which is given by mu, and mu is sin A plus delta m by 2 sin A by 2. What is A? What is delta m? A means prism angle, delta m means angle of minimum deviation. And what is minimum deviation? We will discuss later. Again, if angle of prism A is very small, then delta m is also small from this formula. A is small, then delta m is also small. And if A, delta m both are small, then sin A plus delta m by 2 equal to A plus delta m by 2, and sin A by 2 equals to A by 2. And in that case, mu will be like this. And if we derive this formula, then with delta m we will get delta m equal to mu minus 1 into A. Now if we draw a graph between delta, that is angle of deviation, and I, that is angle of incidence, then graph will be like this. What we can conclude from this graph? When delta decreases, this is the value of delta. When delta decreases, I increases, or when I decreases, delta increases. So this is the variation between delta, angle of deviation, and इंसिडेंट एंगल I. अब हम लोग प्रिज्म से रिलेटेड नीट, एम्स इसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो एक क्वेश्चन अब सॉल्व करेंगे. एम्स 2014 में आया था. यह था क्वेश्चन, द लेंथ ऑफ डेविएशन फॉर ए ग्लास प्रिज्म is equal to its refracting angle. The length of deviation for a glass prism is equal to its refracting angle. The refractive index of glass is 1.5, then the angle of prism is what? A 2 cos inverse 3/4, B sin inverse 3/4, C 2 sin inverse 3/2, and D cos inverse 3/2. So what will be the answer? According to the question, length of deviation for a glass prism is equal to its refracting angle. What was the graph between delta and I? This is the graph between delta and I, and here delta m is the minimum deviation. Actually, minimum deviation means minimum point of the angle of deviation. Minimum point of the angle of deviation is angle of minimum deviation, and angle of minimum deviation is also known as length of deviation. And at that point, I, that is incident angle, should be equal to the E, that is emergent angle. You should remember. Okay, Are you getting my point? Now let's see the solution. So as per question, length of deviation for a glass prism is equal to its refracting angle. So delta m is equals to A as per question, and mu is given 1.5, that is 3 by 2. We have mu sin A plus delta m by 2 sin A by 2. So delta m is sin A by 2. Now sin A plus A by 2, there is a formula of sin A plus B by 2, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Instead of B, here A is given. So sin A by 2 and cos A by 2. And sin A by 2. So sin A by 2, sin A by 2 will be cancelled out. So mu is 3 by 2 and only remain 2 cos A by 2. So cos A by 2 will be 2 3 by 4. So A by 2 will be cos inverse 3 by 4, or A will be 2 cos inverse 3 by 4. So our answer will be A 2 cos inverse 3 by 4. अब हम और एक क्वेश्चन नीट रिलेटेड सॉल्व करेंगे. चलिए देखते हैं नीट 1 2016 का क्वेश्चन. क्या है क्वेश्चन? द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस फॉर ए रे ऑफ लाइट at a refracting surface of a prism is 45 degree. The angle of prism is 60 degree. If the ray suffers minimum deviation through the prism, the angle of minimum deviation and refractive index of the material of the prism respectively, A 45 degree root 2, B 30 degree 1 by root 2, C 45 degree 1 by root 2, D 30 डिग्री रूट 2. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा देखते हैं. क्या था क्वेश्चन में? द एंगल ऑफ प्रिज्म इज 60 डिग्री, दैट इज A इज गिवन 60, एंड अनदर पॉइंट इज इफ द रे सफर्स मिनिमम डेविएशन थ्रू द प्रिज्म, रे सफर्स मिनिमम डेविएशन of the prism and refractive surface of the prism is 45 degree, and the angle of incidence for a ray of light for a prism is 40 degree, that is I is 45 degree. But according to the question, ray suffers minimum deviation, as we got earlier that when ray suffers minimum deviation, in that case I should be equal to E, that is angle of incidence should be equal to the angle of emergent. So I equal to E equal to 45 degree, A equal to 60 degree, and we have delta m I plus E minus A. So I E, put the value of I and A, and A is 60 degree, that is equilateral prism. Actually हम लोग जो लैब में प्रिज्म, हम लोगों को जो लैब में प्रिज्म है वो दो टाइप की होती है. एक है इक्विलेटरल, मतलब तीनों एंगल सेम होगा, और एक है राइट एंगल प्रिज्म. एक है इक्विलेटरल, तीनों एंगल सेम होगा, और एक है राइट एंगल, मतलब एंगल कितना होगा 90 डिग्री. तो दो प्रिज्म हमें लैब में मिलते हैं. तो I E A, putting the value of I E 60, I E and A result will be 30 degree. So delta m 30. Again we have to calculate mu. Mu is sin A plus delta m by 2 sin A by 2, sin 60 plus 30 by 2 sin 60 by 2, and we got the result root 2. So our answer will be 30 degree and root 2, that is D 30 डिग्री रूट 2. अब हम यहीं पर स्टेप कर देंगे और नेक्स्ट डे और भी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स पढ़ेंगे, और उसके बाद उससे रिलेटेड नीट और एम्स का क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करेंगे. इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो then share, subscribe as more as you can, and don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.